Think classic cars are getting too expensive? Think again. Today we found 10 incredible American classics for sale, including a tube chassis race-ready Chevelle, a big block Nova Restomod, a stunning Tri-5 Chevy, and one beautifully preserved Buick that's been cherished for decades. Some are fully restored, some are wild performance builds, and a few might be the best deals on the market right now. Let's check them out. Car number 1. (1966) Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Convertible, $36,500, York, Pennsylvania. We're kicking things off with a classic Chevrolet convertible that's impossible to miss. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu convertible is finished in Hugger orange with a white convertible top and black bucket seat interior. The color combination alone gives this car serious presence. At first glance, many people might mistake it for a true supersport because of the aggressive SS-style hood and muscular stance. Under that hood sits a massive 454 cubic inch big block V8, a substantial upgrade from what Chevrolet originally offered in the Malibu lineup. The seller reports that the engine has low mileage and features a comp camshaft, Carter AFB competition carburetor, Weiand intake manifold, gear drive setup, headers, and dual 2.5-inch exhaust. The result is exactly what you'd expect from a healthy big block Chevelle: plenty of torque, a deep exhaust note, and enough power to make every drive memorable. Backing the engine is a Turbo 400 automatic transmission, one of General Motors' most respected heavy-duty transmissions. Additional features include power steering, a center console, black bucket seats, Krager SS wheels, and BF Goodrich radial TA tires. The seller is honest about the car's condition, mentioning some paint bubbling and cosmetic flaws. However, they also emphasize that the car runs, drives, and presents well overall. For buyers looking for a big block convertible that can be driven and enjoyed immediately, this Chevelle appears to check a lot of boxes. Car number 2, 1957 Chevrolet 210 Bel Air Style, $37,500, Mars, Pennsylvania. Few cars represent 1957 America better than a 1957 Chevrolet. Even people who aren't car enthusiasts instantly recognize the iconic fins, chrome trim, and unmistakable styling. This 1957 Chevrolet 210 has been updated with a modern Chevrolet 350 Crate V8 and an automatic transmission, making it significantly easier to enjoy than a completely stock example. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the car delivers exactly the kind of classic hot rod look that has remained popular for generations. The seller notes that the Crate engine has approximately 7,000 to 8,000 miles on it and is paired with performance-oriented upgrades, including an Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley carburetor, and Hurst automatic shifter. The interior has also been refreshed with newer upholstery and headliner materials. One reason Tri-5 Chevrolets remain so desirable is their versatility. They can be restored to factory specifications, transformed into drag cars, turned into custom cruisers, or enjoyed as dependable weekend classics. This example seems aimed squarely at the enthusiast who wants vintage styling with improved reliability and drivability. More than 60 years after it left the factory, the 1957 Chevrolet remains one of the most recognizable American cars ever built. Car number 3. 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible GT 550 Tribute, $19,900, Westwood, New Jersey. Next up is a car that's perfect for someone who wants to skip the difficult restoration stages and finish a project their own way. This 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible began life as a genuine A-code Mustang and has been transformed into a Shelby GT 550 Tribute. Finished in black and currently awaiting final body preparation and paint, the car is being sold as a running and driving project. The seller describes it as a finish line car, meaning much of the expensive and time-consuming work has already been completed. The car has received extensive upgrades, including all-new wiring, rebuilt steering components, upgraded suspension with the famous Shelby drop modification, new brakes, Magnum 500 wheels, new tires, and numerous new exterior trim pieces. Power comes from a 302 cubic inch Ford V8 sourced from a 1979 vehicle and paired with a C4 automatic transmission. Additional mechanical work includes a rebuilt carburetor, new radiator, headers, dual exhaust, water pump, and rear main seal. Inside, much of the upholstery work has already been completed, though the seller notes several finishing items remain. Importantly, the seller is transparent about what's still needed, including paint, windshield, side glass, heater core, grille, and parking brake cable. For someone looking to build their dream Mustang without starting from a rusty shell, this could be an attractive opportunity.
Car number 4, 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria, $8,500, Roseville, Michigan. This next car has personality written all over it. The seller describes it perfectly, saying it's still cool enough to steal your girlfriend on a Friday night. That's exactly the spirit of a 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria. Finished in gray over a white interior, this classic Ford combines traditional 1950s styling with several vintage hot rod upgrades. Under the hood sits Ford's legendary flathead V8, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The flathead helped establish hot rodding culture in America and remains one of the most beloved engines in automotive history. Mechanical upgrades include an aluminum radiator, Pertronix electronic ignition, upgraded ignition components, performance fuel pump, vintage Mickey Thompson floor shifter, lowered suspension, and a vintage Fenton dual-carb intake setup included with the sale. The seller openly acknowledges the car has rust repairs, body filler, and imperfections. That honesty is refreshing and gives buyers a realistic picture of what they're considering. Inside, the car has received extensive refurbishment, including new carpet, seat upholstery, door panels, and package tray. For under $10,000, this Victoria offers classic 1950 style and plenty of character.
Car number 5, 1968 Chevrolet El Camino Custom, $28,000, Old Bridge, New Jersey. We're wrapping up this group with one of the most unique vehicles on today's list. This 1968 Chevrolet El Camino isn't simply restored, it's a period custom. According to the seller, much of the customization work was originally performed during the 1960s by 2 well-known custom shops. That makes this vehicle a fascinating piece of custom car history. Highlights include rounded hood corners, custom grille work, Lincoln door buttons, Frenched Corvette taillights, custom radar wheels, and extensive chrome detailing under the hood. Power comes from a Chevrolet 327 V8 equipped with a tri-power intake setup, one of the most iconic performance configurations of the era. The seller also mentions recent upgrades and numerous show awards earned over the years. What makes this El Camino particularly interesting is that it reflects the style and creativity of the 1960s custom car scene rather than modern restoration trends. Cars like this are rolling time capsules that showcase what enthusiasts were building decades ago. For someone who appreciates vintage custom culture, this El Camino offers far more than transportation. It tells a story.
Car number 6. 1968 Chevrolet Nova 2 Restomod, $35,000, Manalapan Township, New Jersey. If you're looking for a classic muscle car with modern upgrades, this Nova might be one of the strongest candidates in today's lineup. Finished in black over a matching black interior, this 1968 Chevrolet Nova 2 has been transformed into a serious Restomod, while still retaining the clean, compact appearance that made Novas so popular in the late 1960s. Under the hood sits a massive 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8, paired with a 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission. That combination delivers both brutal acceleration and improved highway cruising compared to older 3-speed automatics. According to the seller, approximately $35,000 has been invested since purchase. Recent upgrades include front disc brakes, upgraded suspension components, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, new drive shaft, Borgeson steering box, complete exhaust system, LED headlights, upgraded dashboard, and one of the most desirable modern additions, a Holley Sniper 2 electronic fuel injection system. The EFI setup eliminates many of the headaches associated with traditional carburetors and makes the car easier to start, drive, and enjoy. The seller states the car is roughly 95% complete and can be driven anywhere. For enthusiasts wanting classic Nova styling with modern drivability, this car appears to offer an excellent balance between old-school muscle and contemporary reliability.
Car number 7, 1956 Chevrolet 210, $26,500, Cheektowaga, New York. This next car feels like something straight out of a traditional American drag strip. A 1956 Chevrolet 210 powered by a monster 427 cubic inch V8. Finished in gray with a red interior, the car combines iconic Tri-5 Chevrolet styling with serious performance upgrades. The seller reports that the engine has recently received square port heads, a roller camshaft, roller rockers, new intake, and a new carburetor. Backing the big block is a freshly rebuilt Turbo 400 automatic transmission with a new converter and quarter-stick shifter. Performance modifications continue throughout the car with power steering, front disc brakes, headers, full 3-inch exhaust, and electric exhaust cutouts. A fiberglass hood with scoop adds an aggressive appearance while hinting at the power hiding underneath. The red tinted side windows and Cragger wheels reinforce the classic street machine look that was hugely popular during the muscle car era. This is not a stock restoration. It's the kind of hot rod built to grab attention, make noise, and deliver a memorable driving experience every time it leaves the garage.
Car number 8, 1964 Buick Skylark Convertible, $15,500, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. After several high-horsepower muscle cars, this Skylark takes us in a more relaxed direction. This 1964 Buick Skylark Convertible is presented as a comfortable cruiser designed for enjoyable weekend drives. Finished in white and powered by Buick's 300 cubic inch V8, the car comes equipped with many of the comfort features buyers wanted during the mid-1960s. Power steering, power brakes, power convertible top, factory air conditioning, and bucket seats all contribute to a pleasant driving experience. The seller reports several important upgrades, including a rebuilt power steering box, a safer dual reservoir master cylinder conversion, newer dual exhaust, and re-chromed front and rear bumpers. The power top is said to function properly, and the car reportedly drives very well. One detail collectors may appreciate is that the original wheels and hubcaps are included with the sale, complete with new tires. Cars like this Skylark represent a different side of the classic car hobby. Instead of maximum horsepower, the focus is on style, comfort, and open-air enjoyment. At $15,500, it could be one of the more affordable classic convertibles featured today.
Car number 9, 1956 Buick Special, $27,500, Hartford, Connecticut. This beautiful 1956 Buick Special offers something that has become increasingly difficult to find: long-term ownership and originality. According to the seller, the car has been in the same adult ownership for approximately 40 years. Finished in baby blue with a matching blue interior, the Buick captures the elegance and optimism of mid-1950s American automotive design. The seller describes the car as largely original, including its original engine and factory radio. One particularly charming detail is that the radio still works after a few minutes of warm-up time. The chrome is said to be in excellent condition, and the paint, despite being roughly 3 decades old, reportedly continues to present very well.
Even more impressive is the seller's claim that the car has never seen rain or snow during long-term ownership and has always been garage-kept. The result appears to be a remarkably preserved example of a classic Buick from one of the most stylish periods in American automotive history. For buyers seeking originality rather than modification, this special may be one of the most attractive vehicles in today's collection.
Car number 10. (1967) Chevrolet Chevelle race car, $45,000, Mount Airy, North Carolina. We're ending today's lineup with something completely different. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is not a restored cruiser. It's a purpose-built race machine. Built on a tube chassis and equipped with extensive lightweight fiberglass components, this Chevelle was designed with performance as the primary goal. The seller notes that the front end, doors, trunk lid, and bumpers are fiberglass, helping reduce weight and improve performance. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch Chevrolet Big Block V8 connected to a Liberty 5-speed transmission. That's a combination capable of handling serious horsepower and aggressive track use. Additional highlights include Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, fresh Mark Williams 40-spline axles, a nodular rear-end center section, ladder bar rear suspension, and new wheels and tires. Interestingly, the seller mentions that the car can potentially be made street legal and already has lighting equipment installed. That means a future owner could choose between maintaining it as a dedicated race car or transforming it into an outrageous street machine. With its tube chassis, race-ready components, and big block power, this Chevelle is easily one of the most extreme vehicles featured in today's video.
So, which one would you take home? The 1956 Chevy 210 with the 427 big block, the black 1968 Nova Restomod, the elegant 1956 Buick Special, or the race-ready 1967 Chevelle? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I always enjoy seeing which cars stand out the most. If you enjoy browsing real classic cars for sale from across America, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next collection of hidden gems, muscle cars, project cars, and rare classics hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.